These students at Fountain Lake Charter High School will face futures filled with opportunities and challenges after high school graduation. But the school's emphasis on project-based learning will give them the skills and experiences they will need to be successful on a college campus or in the workforce.
It's been exciting to see the transition at our school and see our students engaged and see their excitement about coming to school and focusing on learning. And the project-based initiative has been key to that. It's not just the frameworks that they're getting in the basic skills, but they're getting those soft skills, and that's going to help them be successful post-high school.
It's not so much the sage on the stage with a teacher. It's really more, and it's very cliche, but more the guide on the side where the teacher comes along as a facilitator.
Fountain Lake Charter High School is a district conversion charter school. Utilizing project-based learning, the curriculum gives students an academic foundation while challenging them to explore and solve real-world problems. Through partnerships with the National Park College in Hot Springs and Henderson State University in Arkadelphia, Fountain Lake students can gain college credits and industry-level certifications.
I see my students change so much when it comes to organization skills, meeting deadlines.
I teach integrated production technology. So my kids come in every day, they go right to work, and then I usually have to run them out of class at 2:40 when class is over.
There's not really, you don't really see the difference, but you can feel the difference. Because you're not just, going class to class to class to class. I mean, you still are physically, but mentally you're like, okay, I get to do this in this class. I get to, make a presentation, or I get to do something cool and different hands-on.
So I went from having a dream of being a small town mechanic basically, to somebody that can create and recreate buildings and engineer structures that are used every day. This summer brings to me the opportunities to actually explore the career path and how I'm actually going to use it and implement it in my future. Now, in the fall, I plan on attending SAU Magnolia to actually pursue my degree in Bachelor's of Engineering.
The most important things I've learned from project-based learning is finding out what I want to learn. Because your teacher will give you something that you can learn, but then once I get into a project, I find things I want to know. So I'll do more research, or I'll learn more things that'll help me broaden my outlook on something. My favorite project I've done through project-based learning is building that hydroponic system. I'm actually still working on it now, and I started it in February. So it's been a long project, but I really enjoyed it. Hydroponics is using just water to grow plants, so I've built like a whole hydroponic system out of resources we have at school, and then I keep it in our local greenhouse. Through project-based learning, we've done lots of presentations. That's mainly what we've been working on, is developing our presentation skills. And so the beginning of 9th grade to now has changed a lot for what I can do. I've gained social and communication skills through these presentations that I've given.
Everything we do is to help our kids achieve. We want our kids walking out of here with confidence. We want them walking out of here with industry certifications, with college credits.
That's what I've loved about our relationship with Fountain Lake High School, is that because of their new charter, because of the flexibility that it's allowed, we've actually been able to double the students that are coming to the Technical Center, and so that's that many more students that are now able to come into our programs and get credentials.
Eventually everyone is expected to go to work, and so what we want to do is work with the schools and have our college faculty involved with the schools so that students are prepared to make a living and make a life.